how to put back the Apple Watch charger to the packaging box. And this is for the Apple Watch Series 8. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your watch is already in a loop of around 5 inches. So around 5 inches. And then what you want to do is put the charger, the white one, face down. Now there is a small tab at the back here. Make sure it is fold down like that. And then you slide in your charger that way and have the cable on the right hand side like so. And then we're just gonna loop it up around. So do one loop and then another loop around here like this. And then just keep looping around. Now again, remember it's around 5 inches. And then it should fit in just like that. So you're going to put the USB charger into the slot right there. So put it into the slot and then pull this flap right up. And then into the hole right there. And then we kind of like squeeze it in like this. And then there is a tab right here you push up. So I'm just going to make sure it goes inside. If it doesn't go in, then you have a problem closing it. So, and then put the piece of paper flip down, and that will kind of like lock the top part in. And once it is in, you can now place it back into your package. So here, it should fit in nicely, like so. And you can see, there it is. So again, make sure it is around 5 inches or a little bit less than 5 inch. Otherwise, it will not be able to fit into the box. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.